In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use backlinks in Notion, step by step for beginners. Welcome back! Backlinks are a simple way to connect your pages so ideas, notes, and tasks stay context-rich and easy to navigate. They work like bridges between pages, and Notion automatically keeps track of where those connections come from. Start by opening the Notion page where you want to add a backlink. Think about the spot in your text where a reference would be helpful, maybe after a sentence that mentions a project, a note, or a resource. Click into the page and place your cursor right where you want the link to appear. Now type the @ symbol. You'll see a drop-down menu pop up. From that menu, choose Page. This tells Notion you want to mention another page rather than a person, a date, or anything else. If the menu disappears or you don't see the option right away, just type the symbol again and look for Page. Next, search for the page you want to link to. Start typing its name, and Notion will filter results as you go. When you see the right page, click it. Instantly, the page name appears in line as a clickable link in your text, matching your current font style. You can keep typing before or after it, just like normal text. Anytime you need to open that linked page, simply click the link. Notion will take you straight there so you can review details, copy information, or keep working. This is especially useful when you're writing notes that reference a bigger plan, or when you want quick access to related material without searching. Once you're on the linked page, head to the Backlinks section to see every place this page is referenced. You'll find it in the page menu toward the bottom left. This list shows all pages that mention the current one, giving you a full view of how your workspace connects. It's great for confirming you've made the right connections and for jumping between related notes without losing your place. You can use backlinks to connect notes, tasks, or references across your workspace. Link a daily note to a project page so progress is easy to trace. Mention a task from a planning page so it's visible where decisions are recorded. Reference research or a source page from your notes to keep citations just a click away. And that's how to use backlinks in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.